So most of the plans that I had between the morning and now did not work out. I had a whole list of Halloween activities to do for the kids, but what we're gonna do now, well, my dog got sick, is not feeling good, and she smelled like vomit, so I gave her a bath, and that took some time. But right now we're gonna make with Jello,
Just put a little less of the
Jello worms. We're gonna try to make Jello worms. So let's see if this works out.
Boiling?
I just until it boils. Don't be afraid.
I just don't want it to pop up.
Okay.
I'm happy that there's 3 packets.
Yeah, me too.
We need more.
Yes. We need a half a cup more. Add a cup of boiling water. Okay.
How many packs of these did you use?
Alexa set a 2-minute timer.
Did you
It came with 4 packs.
Yeah, but did you put in them all?
I put 3.
Okay.
There we go.
I'll make sure it's recording.
All right, wish us good luck, because everything on TV looks easier.
How?
I don't know. I think this container is too big.
Take the phone. Look at the video, Mom.
Hold on, wait. But what if we can get the worms out after?
I really hope this works. Oh! You fill the straw, and the straw is touching the bottom, so it doesn't let the juice.
So you see this mess behind me. There's a mess here. My house is not too bad, I guess. I don't know. This table is pretty much always a mess though, but you know, when you're in a mental funk, the last thing you want to do is be up, moving around and cleaning and things like that. So yesterday, my daughter and I, we did do the Samaritan's Purse Christmas, Operation Christmas Child. We saw a video. If you guys want to do something nice, if you want to get your kids involved in serving, go onto YouTube and look up Operation Christmas Child and look at the videos and look at the expression on the children's faces and listen to the stories of these children, some of them who are now adults, what just receiving a box like this has done to draw them to God and to save them and bring Jesus into their lives, because they also, you send them a gift that they also put in a booklet in here, and then they get a chance, if they give their life to Christ, to receive a 12-week discipleship program. So we have packed in here a couple of goodies. She's got a t-shirt. We picked the girls from ages 5 to 7. I'm gonna let you peek inside real quick. But I'm not moving anything because we packed it like perfectly. All right, so I'm gonna try not to like move too much stuff here. We decided to put in a little first aid kit that has bandages and things like that. Thought that'd be a good idea. My daughter put in some toys that she would like. So we got a little mini squishmallow. Like I said, we got the Anna and Elsa t-shirt. We wanted to get them a shirt, and I don't know how, you know, far cartoons go, but I'm pretty sure that if they have any TV, they have seen this, and if not, they probably don't. I don't even know. I need to get cultured. Okay, so we have a little brush with a mirror. Thought that was be cute for them. And then we have a casket here of slime. We have a cute little, bracelet, and we also have a pretty necklace over here. Right, so cute. We have toothpaste, then we have this Barbie. It's a cup, a rinse cup, a toothbrush, and a cap, and then this water bottle holder. I know some places they just got wells put in and they don't have fresh water to drink, but maybe they can carry some water with them and have it with them, the kid, you know, all day. And you can color this one. This is a doodle water bottle set. So hopefully it will come in handy, and the child who receives this will be blessed. All right, so I'm going to try not to like move too much stuff here. We decided to put in a little first aid kit that has bandages and things like that. Thought that'd be a good idea. My daughter put in some toys that she would like. So we got a little mini squishmallow. Like I said, we got the Anna and Elsa t-shirt. We wanted to get them a shirt, and I don't know how, you know, far cartoons go, but I'm pretty sure that if they have any TV, they have seen this, and if not, they probably don't. I don't even know. I need to get cultured. Okay, so we have a little brush with a mirror. Thought that was be cute for them. And then we have a casket here of slime. We have a cute little, bracelet, and we also have a pretty necklace over here. Right, so cute. We have toothpaste, then we have this Barbie. It's a cup, a rinse cup, a toothbrush, and a cap, and then this water bottle holder. I know some places they just got wells put in and they don't have fresh water to drink, but maybe they can carry some water with them and have it with them, the kid, you know, all day. And you can color this one. This is a doodle water bottle set. So hopefully it will come in handy and the child who receives this will be blessed. And then this table has to get cleaned. The most important thing I have to do today is prepare for my co-op classes tomorrow. So I'm teaching this year at our homeschool co-op a preschool science class, preschool kindergarten science class, and a kindergarten first grade learning through literature class. My book has not arrived for learning through literature, would have been at the library. However, it seems to have been returned damaged, and it's like the only copy they have is Stella Luna, and they're fixing it. So the kids are gonna have to watch a read out loud version on my phone because the Wi-Fi there is horrible and I can't bring my laptop because it won't work. So I do need to get this tidied up. We're having leftovers for dinner because I cooked so late yesterday and nobody ate. So they're eating it today. And that's that. So let's go on with the rest of our day. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, I do not feel like doing any of this. As far as school goes, we have been somewhat slacking. I've totally been slacking. My son has basically at least have done math every day and language arts. My schedule has gone down the toilet. I just don't feel like teaching. I don't feel like doing anything. I've been laying on my couch, like napping. I've been in a really funk. Pray for me, y'all. I'm getting better though, I am. And then so November 1st is my get back to school, like get it together day. So I am really trying to make sure we get back on track with everything. However, it might not be November 1st because November 1st is Wednesday and I don't have the time to plan for that day. So we're probably gonna go to whatever day Monday is and start on that day and really get everything together and really start, because now then we have Thanksgiving break, and then we have Christmas break, and like all these breaks are gonna start coming right when I get serious about school. But I'm gonna try to make more videos for you guys because it really helps me out. And when you guys comment, you guys uplift me so much. Like just knowing that I'm making content that's beneficial to you is a real blessing. So if you have it on your heart to respond to any of my videos, go ahead and do it because I really love to hear from you and I will always respond back. Unless it's negative, then I'm not gonna answer you back. But it never is, so I really am appreciative of you guys. I don't know if that's a word. I appreciate you guys. All right, so we're gonna keep moving on with this video. I don't even know where to begin. First thing I have to do is print out my stuff. Oh my gosh, guys, I just saw the time and I'm kind of freaking out. And I don't know why, but does it look dark to you? I'm gonna have to check my camera settings. But I have this huge list and I like didn't do any of it. Because tomorrow we have our homeschool co-op all day. We have a kid coming over to do trick-or-treating with us. And I was supposed to get the whole house clean. And I swear I was busy today. I really was. But it's like 6 o'clock and I haven't done anything on my list, so I'm a little freaked out right now. So I need to like get it going. So we're gonna put this in fast motion. And you are gonna get to see some of the experiments that we're gonna do for my science class because I need to make sure that they work. So, but I gotta stop talking and I'm just gonna show you the stuff. apologize that this video is ending so abruptly. What happened? This is actually the next day. I'm just wearing the same shirt because I wore it for the video yesterday, but today's actually Halloween. And we're going to our homeschool co-op. I'm about to have my breakfast. And the worms did not come out. We didn't try all of them. We did a couple. They didn't come out the way it showed in the video. But you guys can type in Jello worms and on YouTube and see if you guys can figure it out. And then post in the description if you have any tips on how to make it better. So today we have our homeschool co-op. The last clip that I posted was the short that I made, my first YouTube short that I made like that, showing you what we're gonna do in our science class to give you guys some science activities. And I'm gonna be releasing that probably tomorrow. But we are ready for our day of Halloween. So happy Halloween, everyone. I wanna thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Happy Halloween.